Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. In later versions, I think it started in Corel X17, they put up an icon to turn your guidelines on and off. And somebody just emailed me that has Corel X6 and it does not have that. Well, you can turn that on by going to View and hitting the guidelines, and you can turn it off there. Now that's a little bit, if you want to go back and forth, you got to go back to that step. So let's create that step in a one key little macro or a hotkey. Let's go up. So no matter what version you have, go to Tools, Options, Customization, and start typing right here, Guidelines. And you need this one right here that has like an eyeball. And then, now different versions, but you need to create a new keystroke. And I'm gonna just use the dash line that's next on the top of your keyboard up by your 0 and by your plus and your equal sign. And I'm gonna hit assign. And then I'm gonna say okay. And I'm gonna hit that dash line and I can turn my guidelines on and off just with that one keystroke. So if you don't have it up here like 18 and above, I believe it is, this is 2020 and it's been up here the last couple of versions. It's really handy. But this might even be quicker, in a way, just hit that line sign and turn them on and off. Anyway, hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.